Well, hello. Back to another episode of Fact or Fib. So, your job is to figure out, are we looking at a fact or a fib? All right. So, first thing, Miss Child gives each of her four children $5.25 for their weekly allowance. How much money does Miss Brown need for their allowances each week? All right. So, four children, $5.25. So, is the answer $21? Is that a fact or a fib? So you could either do addition of 525, $5.25, 5 and 25 hundredths four times, or you could do 5 and 25 hundredths times four. So is it a fact or a fib? It is a fact. If 4 times 5 is 20 and 25 hundredths times 4 is 1, then 4 times 5 and 25 hundredths is indeed 21. So if we were going to take a look at that um, with the math, 5 and 25 hundredths times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10. Carry the 1. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1, 21. 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. There we go, 21. All right, next one. Is this a fact or a fib? A strip of ribbon is 15 and 7/10 centimeters long. Nasir uses 3/10 of the strip for a craft project. How many centimeters of ribbon did Nasir use? The answer is 15 and 4/10 centimeters. So this looks like a finding the difference problem when it comes to decimals. So is it a fact or a fib? So we did, whoops, let me get the pin out. If we had 15 and 7/10 of ribbon, how many centimeters of ribbon did Nasir use? They started with 15 and 7/10. They used 3/10. So minus 3/10. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Then we have, if we wanted to put emoji zeros, we could. 5 minus 0 is 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. And drop the decimal like it's hot because it's subtraction. So 15 and 4/10. Now, something looks weird about this because the next thing we're going to do is do the showdown. But for some reason it's saying fib, but I think it's correct because we just did it and it was correct. So I don't know why it's saying fib. It's a fact. It's 15 and 4/10 centimeters. We just did the math. We totally did the math. Is it still over here? Yeah, see? 15 and 4/10. So I don't know what happened there. So let me get the green pen and we'll write on top of this fact. Oh, it doesn't come out. Fact. All right, so that was weird. Curveball. Next one. All right, Gino sells pasta salad for $2.50 per pound. Julie buys 11 pounds for a party. How much will Julie pay for the pasta? The answer is $22.50. So let's figure it out. We got $2.50. Remember, when you're setting up the problems for multiplication, just pretend like there's no decimal point. So that'd be 250 times 11. Then put the decimal point back in there. All right, so 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Second line, ones place, 0. Don't forget that every time. 0 in the second line in the ones place. 1 times 0 is 1. Or 0, sorry. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. So we add it together, and we have 2 decimal places. So we need 2 decimal places in our answer. $27.50. This looks like a fib. So let's check it out. Showdown. It is a fib. We figured it out. The actual answer was 27. I don't know where it went. Did I clear it? Well, it was like 27.50. Right? Yeah, 27.50. All right, so there's some more practice for multiplication of decimals. All right. And we have some other activities as well. We'll take a look at those. One's going to be like a pictorial diagram. I don't think, yeah, you can't. When I switch that tab, it won't let you see it. So we'll take a look at those in class and we'll review that stuff. So keep working on your multiplication, division of decimals. There should probably be a lot of it in your life. So